Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own intro very easy and for free. So for that we are going to use Blender. For that you go to your Internet Explorer, you type in blender.org and you go on. So in this site you see download Blender 2.79. that's the version, the most actual at the moment. So you click on it, you download here and it's gonna show up, you run or you save it, and then it's gonna be on your computer. It's very fast. So and then it's pretty much here on your after you installed it, it's on your desktop, but you don't need to open it. So then for your intro, very easy, you go to YouTube. Okay, it's my default site, but you type in YouTube and then on the search bar you put Blender intro templates. There you see it. So you click on the first video, for example. Right here you have numerous templates on YouTube. So you choose the one that you like. Okay, here for example you have 10. For example, if you like this, okay, the number 9, whatever, we are going for the number 6. Okay, this is this one because it looks nice, good music. So then you go here on details, then you see 6. It's always changing, but normally it's like that. You click on it, then you go for the download. You can donate something to help them or to support or to say thank you for your free intro. You click on download, then you go down again on download and you say where you want it, save as, wherever. So when it's on your computer, you go to your Blender and you see here normally it's gonna come zipped. You right click on it and you make extract all, then you will have it like that. You double click on it and then you click on the Blender icon, okay, in your document. There it is, and as you can see it's gonna open here. So don't worry guys, it's very simple from now. Here you click on the text, right click, you click on tab, backspace, you put the text that you want. For me it's DS75. Here you have to modify 2 because it's a 3D. So you click, you tap, you go out, then you right click on the second text, you tap backspace, DS75, and then you tap it. So you're out. So then what you have to do, very easy, you see here like the resolution, if you're okay with that. If you want more frames, you go to 60 or 30, whatever, it's not going to change. So and then the most important is the output. You say where do you want to have the, for example, the video that you're making or the intro. You go here. For me it's gonna be on my desktop. You can put it wherever you want, it doesn't matter. And then you go up here, render animation, you click on it and it's gonna take like 30 minutes. We are gonna wait those 30 minutes and then you have like when it's downloaded or rendered, you have it here and you can see there it is. DS75 looks nice. I mean, easy. You have numerous intros. Take your time to see what you want to take or what intro you wanna make. So if you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel. I'm gonna make so many new guides. That's why it's very important that you guys comment it. If there is a guide that you're saying, Diaz, please make a guide about this, and yeah, comment any critics. Every critic is welcome. So thank you so much. Have a nice day, nice night. Love you all. Have a good one. Bye bye, my friends.